Hello smart home fans, my name is James and I'm the owner of Local Intellitech, where we install your smart home devices with integrity and confidence. We have a great video for you, so let's get started. In this video, we will talk about why your video doorbell battery drains quickly and some simple techniques to extend battery life. I recommend these two product brands, Ring and Nest, for their video doorbells. A smart video doorbell is a doorbell that has a camera attached to it and that connects to your Wi-Fi. When motion is detected by the camera or your doorbell is pressed, you will receive a notification and the camera will start recording. Ring and Nest offer a battery and wired video doorbell. In this video, we will talk about the battery option. Nest states that their video doorbell battery option can last for 2.5 months on a single charge under normal operating conditions. Ring states that their battery can last between 6 and 12 months under a single charge. One common reason that affects your camera's battery is the amount of use. The more events that your camera records, the faster the battery will drain. This also includes live view. The more you view your camera through the app, the faster the battery will drain. If you have poor Wi-Fi connectivity, each time your video doorbell disconnects then reconnects to the Wi-Fi, it will use battery. The weather outside could also affect your battery. A lithium polymer battery is less effective at holding its charge when the temperature is lower than 40 degrees Fahrenheit. When the temperature raises above 40 degrees, your battery will act as normal again. To extend your battery life, try these tips. In the settings page of your Google Home or your Ring app, you can adjust the settings for your events. These apps let you adjust the wake-up sensitivity for when an event is triggered. We do not want our camera recording events of rustling leaves or cars driving down the street. We want our doorbell camera to record when people approach the doorbell. We can also use activity zones, which tell the camera which areas to focus in on and which areas to ignore. This can be useful when your doorbell overlooks a busy street. We can have the camera ignore the cars racing down the street, but keep an eye for pedestrians approaching the door. We also have the option to adjust the video quality and the length of the recorded video clip. Having lower quality videos and a shorter video clip helps to conserve battery. Nest has given its user the option to turn on battery saver mode. In this mode, your camera will automatically adjust its features to help conserve battery. You may have linked devices that is telling your video doorbell to record events. If you have a floodlight camera in the backyard, it may be telling your front doorbell to record when it detects motion in the back. To conserve battery, we want your video doorbell camera to turn on only when necessary. If we find that rustling leaves continue to trigger our events, we can change the height of the camera. Getting the leaves out of the range of the camera will help ensure that the rustling leaves do not trigger an event. If you are having problems with Wi-Fi connectivity, I would encourage you to move your router closer to your video doorbell. If this is not possible, I would recommend buying a Wi-Fi extender or a Wi-Fi mesh set. This will help increase the range of your Wi-Fi. If these adjustments do not help, or if you are unable to make these adjustments, you do have the option to connect your smart video doorbell to a power source. This will ensure that your video doorbell will always have power, and you can forget about remembering to charge it. If you are frustrated charging your smart devices all the time, you are not alone. Companies have been working for several years on wireless charging through air. There will be a day soon where your smartphone does not need cables or a wireless charging pad to charge. When you arrive home, your phone will begin charging. It will take the waves in the air and convert it to electricity. This technology can also be applied to battery-powered smart devices. One day, we will not have to worry about plugging in our battery-powered smart devices to charge. Thanks for watching. If you liked today's video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel above. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. For all things smart home, please visit us at www.localintellitech.com. Thank you.